Okay, the next graph we're going to do together is test scores throughout the year. So again, you need to identify the independent variable, and that's the thing that's not measured. So then this is the independent variable, which goes on the x-axis, and this is the dependent variable, which goes on the y-axis. You'll notice as well in math, when you get an XY table, they're always in this order. You can if you have trouble figuring out which is which, and you have a table like this, the left one is always going to be the x, and the right one is always going to be the y, and x is always the independent variable, and y is always the dependent variable. All right, now we are going to label the axes with the unit. So this is the assessment. Oops, sorry. This is the test score. So test. There is no unit for it. This is score. And obviously that is a percentage. Some of you are wanting to use symbols down here. You need to write out the answer. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3 completed. 4 is to determine the variable range. So it looks like the highest score is 68, and the lowest score is 52. So the difference between that is 16. And I'm going to say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, so we've got to go up by ones. So again, we're going to put a little break because we do not start at 0. So we're going to do 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, and 68. Down here you've got your assessments. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that tells me I can go by 4s. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our pre-assessment. PA, can't read that. All right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have assessment 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have assessment 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have assessment 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have assessment 4, which is the final. We'll put FA for final assessment. All right, now all we have to do is plot our points. So on the pre-assessment, they scored a 52. First assessment, they got a 61. Post-assessment 2, they got a 55. 3, they got a 68. And on the final assessment, they got a 66. Again, take your ruler and connect these dots. Peer review. And on this one, again, you could say it's cyclic, but it's pretty much, there's just no correlation between the assessment and how well they did. And that does it for test scores throughout the year.